Example 1. Graph point C at 2, 4. Identify the quadrant or axis where the point is located. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label my quadrants and my axes. Okay, so I've got quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. You need to make sure you paid attention to the notes a few slides prior to this and wrote those down. This is very important to know. Okay. We know that our horizontal axis is our x-axis and our vertical axis is our y. I'm going to go ahead and label those things right off the bat. So it says identify the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. Okay, so if we're looking at our points, we have 2, x. I know the 2 is my x, the 4 is my y. Okay. Now use the coordinate from the origin, move 2 units to the right. Okay, so if I'm going 2 units to the right, so I'm marking my 2, I'm going to go over 2 spots, which would be here. Okay. And then it says use the y-coordinate, which is y, and that is 4. It's a positive 4, so we know we're going to go up 4 units. So up 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to mark my point right here. Okay, so I went over 2, up 4. Okay, remember my x-coordinate, if it's positive, I move to the right from 0. If it's negative, I move to the left. Same with my y. If it's positive, I move up. If it's negative, I move down. So we drew our point. That was step 4. But our question said to identify the quadrant or axis, okay? It is not on the x or y axis, so we're going to be identifying the quadrant, which we've already wrote right here. We know it is located in quadrant 1. The first thing I want you to do when you see a coordinate plane is I want you to label your quadrants and your axis.